Jamnalal Bajaj Awards, acknowledged as possibly the most coveted recognitions, endeavors in areas of developing the socio-economic arena in our country, serve the ideals of Shri Jamnalal Bajaj and promote Gandhian ideologies in India and abroad. As a tradition, we begin this function with an invocation by Ms. Dhwani Pandya.
वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने रे, पर दुखे उपकार करे तोए मन अभिमान ना आने रे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कहिए जे।
Welcome to everyone to this 35th awards function of the Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation. Awards शुरू हुए 1978 में with 2 awards, Constructive and Application of Science to Rural Development. कुछ दिनों बाद जो जानकी देवी जी बजाज के नाम से अवार्ड था, Focused on Ladies for Uplift of Women and Children, और उसके कुछ सालों बाद चालू हुआ the International Award, जो कि फॉरेन नेशनल को दिया जाता है फॉर प्रोपगेटिंग Gandhian views, Gandhian values abroad. Friends, as you know, we are gathered here today to gratefully felicitate the awardees for having done such outstanding work, selfless work, and having nurtured their outstanding institutions. On behalf of all of us here, may I once again inform our awardees that the Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation considers itself honored that you have been kind enough to accept these awards. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
We now commence the awards presentation. May I request Dhirubai Mehta, Chairman of Selection Committee for the Award for Constructive Work category, to read the citation honoring Shri Jayant Matkar.
समर्पित एवं निस्वार्थ स्वप्नदर्शी श्री जयंत मटकर के पर्याय है। श्री मटकर 60 वर्षों से अधिक समय से सर्वोदय आंदोलन के साथ जुड़े हुए तथा गोपुरी आश्रम के उपाध्यक्ष है। सन 1962 में अति उत्साही सर्वोदय कार्यकर्ता श्री मटकर ने ग्रामदान, ग्राम स्वराज एवं शांति सेना के स्वयं को प्रशिक्षित किया। वे अथक प्रयासी हैं और जरूरतमंदों की सेवा के लिए सदा तत्पर रहते हैं। जमनालाल बजाज फाउंडेशन श्री जयंत गंगाराम मटकर को यह प्रशस्ति पत्र तथा रत्नात्मक कार्य के क्षेत्र में विशिष्ट योगदान के लिए जमनालाल बजाज पुरस्कार प्रदान करते हुए गौरवान्वित है।
जिस कार्य के कारण मुझे जमनालाल बजाज फाउंडेशन का रचनात्मक कार्य पुरस्कार प्राप्त हुआ, इसलिए मैंने सफाई, भूदान, ग्रामदान, गोरक्षा, खादी कार्य का विवेचन करके आपका समय लिया है। जमनालाल बजाज फाउंडेशन के पदाधिकारी और मान्यवर सदस्यों ने एक सामान्य कार्यकर्ता को इस पुरस्कार से सम्मानित किया। इस भावपूर्णता से इस पुरस्कार को मैं कृतज्ञतापूर्वक स्वीकार करता हूँ। सार्वजनिक कार्य के लिए ही इस पुरस्कार का उपयोग होगा, ऐसा मैं अभिवचन देता हूँ। हमारा मंत्र जय जगत, हमारा तंत्र ग्राम स्वराज, हमारा लक्ष्य विश्व शांति। सबको फिर से एक बार जय जगत।
Thank you, Matkar ji. Your simplicity and thoughts expressed right from your heart is indeed inspiring. Shri Madhur Bajaj, trustee of the Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation, may I now invite you to please read the citation in honor of Shri Kalyan Paul.
Shri Kalyan Paul is a name to reckon with when it comes to promoting holistic mountain development programs in the Himalayan region. In 1992, Shri Paul established PAN Grassroots Development Foundation to perceive, initiate and implement fundamental ways and means for hydrology renewal and ecology restoration in Uttarakhand. Shri Paul encourages youth to be barefoot engineers to further create awareness and assist communities in adopting technologies through active engagement and course sharing. to present this citation and the Jamnalal Bajaj Award for the outstanding contribution in the field of application of science and technology for rural development to Sri Kalyanpur.
Jamnalalji was perhaps amongst those men of a shackled country who was inspired to play a significant role in laying the foundations for a free country. He was instrumental in evolving a coalition of interest amongst men and women to gain freedom, an endeavor in which his life partner, Janki Devi too, played a stellar role. In all likelihood, it is that spirit which still reigns amongst members of the Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation in modern India. On behalf of the grassroots team and all those who support our endeavors, I would like to thank the foundation for this award. This event would strengthen all of us in our resolve to improve the quality of life for communities in far-flung river basins in the Himalaya. And in that fashion, I think this is indeed a milestone. It would also be in form to mention and acknowledge the sterling contribution of two outstanding individuals who helped build up grassroots, Dr. Tim Rees and Shri Puran Namji, the former as an innovator par excellence and the latter as a super barefoot engineer who translated science and technology at the grassroots. And finally, I must bow to the tireless dedication of the grassroots team, some of whom had actually been here to celebrate this event last month, and further pledge to carry the torch of Jamnalalji forward. Thank you all, and thank you, Honorable Justice Dharma Adhikari, for your time. This is indeed an honor which I would share with my grandchildren.
गांधी जी ने ग्राम स्वराज्य की बात कही थी, इसलिए ग्रामीण लेवल पर हमको ग्राम स्वराज्य प्रस्थापित करना पड़ेगा। इसलिए वहाँ के लोगों की समस्या जाननी पड़ेंगी, उनको मदद करनी पड़ेगी, उनके साथ रहना पड़ेगा, वहाँ के लोगों को रोजगारी देना, वहाँ की ज़मीन बचाना, पानी बचाना, संसाधन बचाना। और जमनालाल बजाज फाउंडेशन जैसी जो संस्थाएं हैं, उनके जो पुरस्कार मिलते हैं उससे हमको उत्साह मिलता है। मैं आगे जाकर इस पुरस्कार के बाद मैं इस काम पर ज़्यादा जोर देने वाला हूँ, खास करके पर्यावरण, सैनिटेशन, सेंद्रीय खेती और खादी ग्रामोद्योग।
This kind of award is, I think it chuffs them a lot, it encourages people a lot. So that way, I think the entire team will be able to leverage an award like this to a large extent. It's sort of motivating, it motivates a lot of people.
This next award was instituted in the memory of Padma Vibhushan Srimati Janki Devi Bajaj. May I now call upon Dr. Mariamma Varghese, Chairperson of the Selection Committee for the Award for the Development and Welfare of Women and Children, to kindly read the citation in honor of Srimati Nigat Shafi.
I am privileged and glad to read the citation for Srimati Nigat Shafi, who is the recipient of the Jamnalal Bajaj Award 2012 for outstanding contribution in the field of development and welfare of women and children. At a time when hardly any woman would have liked to step out for fear of life, Srimati Nigat Shafi stepped out of her comfort to help the children and women in Srinagar. To provide a helping hand to the ones affected by the violence in the strife-torn valley, Srimati Shafi instituted HELP, as a human effort for love and peace foundation in 1997. Srimati Shafi, chairperson of the foundation, runs an orphanage, Shehjar, which is an abode for 30 boys and comprises women's empowerment, computer and health center, along with drug de-addiction facility. The Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation feels honored to present this citation and the Jamnalal Bajaj Award for the outstanding contribution in the field of development and welfare of women and children to Srimati Nigat Shafi.
It is indeed a proud moment for me, having been bestowed with the prestigious award for social work by the Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation. It is a matter of great privilege to receive this award at the hands of a person who belongs to a family known for integrity and honesty and has all along cherished and follows Gandhian values. Let me add that this honor has come to me not solely because of my efforts, but also because of the collective efforts and endeavors of all those who have helped me in taking my mission forward, including my trustees, staff, and volunteers of Health Foundation as well. Having faith in Allah and being a firm believer in destiny, I stepped out along with a few friends and thus helped Human Effort for Love and Peace Foundation was born in 1997. I thought to myself that this is the only way to give food to one's soul. I took strength from Gandhiji's words of wisdom. To give pleasure to a single heart by a single act is better than 1,000 heads bowing in prayer. Before I close, I should like to express my deepest gratitude to the Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation and every functionary connected with it for having reposed their trust in me. I do hope that I shall uphold the trust reposed in me by the selectors, and I shall find the energy to take my mission forward with greater zeal. May God bless all of us. Thank you.
Srimati Nigar Shafi, we salute you for your humanitarian deeds. Congratulations. Professor Glenn Page, recipient of the International Award, unfortunately is unable to be with us this evening due to health constraint and has conveyed his sincere regret. I invite Shri Madhur Bajaj, trustee of the Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation, to kindly read the citation in honor of Professor Glenn Page.
Professor Glenn Page is the founder and chairman of the Center for Global Non-Killing and Professor Emeritus of Political Science, University of Hawaii. Inspired by Mahatma Gandhi's multifold contributions, Professor Page's life journey has brought him from war to work for a killing-free world. In 2002, following 28 years of research and teaching, Professor Page published Non-Killing Global Political Science in 24 languages, and Gandhi Media Center was the first publisher in the world to release the book in India. The Center for Global Non-Killing engages 600 scholars in 300 universities in 73 countries in 19 non-killing research committees. Non-killing knowledge is beginning to be introduced in schools and university-level curriculum. The Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation feels honored to present this citation and the Jamnalal Bajaj Award for the outstanding contribution in the field of promoting Gandhian values outside India to Professor Glenn Page.
Thank you, Madhur. May I once again invite our respected Chief Guest, Dr. Justice Dharmadhikari ji, to please present the citation, the trophy and the cash prize to Dr. Subha Rao, who will receive the award on behalf of Professor Page. Dr. Subha Rao is also very closely associated with Professor Glenn Page and his work. It is my privilege to now invite our respected Chief Guest, Padma Bhushan, Dr. Justice Chandrasekhar Dharmadhikari ji, Chairman of the Council of Advisors of the Foundation, to enlighten the distinguished gathering today with his keynote address.
पुण्यश्लोक जमनालाल जी बजाज के नाम से ये पुरस्कार दिए जाते हैं। सही अर्थ में ये पुरस्कार नहीं बल्कि कृतज्ञता से किए हुए नमस्कार है, और उसी भावना से मैं जिन महानुभावों को पुरस्कार दिए गए उनका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूँ। आप जिन्हें पुरस्कार प्रदान किए गए उनके बारे में इतना ही कहना चाहूँगा, इन हाथों को तस्लीम करो, ये दुनिया को चलाने वाले हैं। इन हाथों को तस्लीम करो, दुनिया का फसाना इनसे है, इंसानों की कहानी इनसे है। और यही सभी ऐसे समाज सेवक हैं जिनके बाबत ये कहा जा सकता है कि किसी को न पता चला इनके कद का अंदाज़ा, जो आसमान है मगर सिर झुका के चलती हैं। इन जिन व्यक्तियों को हमने पुरस्कारित किया, उनके जीवन के आदर्शों को आप अगर समझ लेंगे तो मैं इतना ही चाहूँगा कि इन व्यक्तियों से का जब हम अभिनंदन कर रहे तब कम से कम इतना तो संकल्प करें कि आपको मेरे जीवन का जो लोटा होगा वो इस टाके में शुद्ध दूध का गिरेगा, ऐसा संकल्प करने की सद्बुद्धि भगवान आपको मुझे दे, ऐसे धर्माधिकारी के नाते भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ। आप सबको नमस्कार करता हूँ।
On behalf of Jamnalal Bajaj Foundation, a heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Justice Dharmadhikari ji, esteemed awardees, the trustees, council of advisors and selection panels of these awards, the media, hall management, and all of you for appreciating, honoring, and applauding the good work being done and keeping the flavor, fragrance, and spirit of our event alive and kicking. Thank you.
My message has been to work for peace and to love what you do and do what you love. If you don't like your work, don't do it. But if you jump into anything and you want to do something for the society, try to do the best for them and try to love the work that you do.
And these are basically Gandhian people who are not known. Most of them are just not known outside their circles, unlike a businessman who is known because of TV and media and all that. So this is the reason for the awards, to recognize them, to honor them, and they don't need this, but because you honor them, there are others who will be motivated to do such work, which I'm happy to say in India, due to our tradition of the country, it is being done.
By trying to continue with these awards, we would like to continue it endlessly for the next 35, 40, 50 years, forever, so that we can get more and more people into the limelight. And we are very thankful to the media like yours, who are appreciating and understanding what we are trying to do. And so you will also continue, I hope, to encourage this thought, and we will also support this thought of seeing how we can make thousands and lakhs of people to be inspired by these great souls we call the awardees.